Hello viewers, in this video we will see how to convert our hard disk from MBR partition scheme to GPT without losing data from hard disk. First, to verify the partition scheme, open command prompt and type disk mgmt. This will open the disk management tool. We are going to convert first hard disk from MBR to GPT. To verify the partition scheme, right click on disk 0, go to properties and select the volume tab. Under the volume tab, we can see that the partition style is currently on master boot record. To verify after converting to GPT whether data from hard disks are deleted or not, from our first hard disk we have three partitions: new volume F, C and G. We open the file explorer and in new volume F we create a new folder. We will call this is the first partition before converting to GPT, and the second partition is C disk, and we have one more partition, new volume G, and in new volume G we will create a new folder. We will call this as this is the third partition before converting to GPT. For converting partition scheme from MBR to GPT, we use a software called EaseUS Partition Master. Link to the software can be found in the description below. Open the software and from the disk 0, which is the first hard disk, right click on it and select the option Convert MBR to GPT. Before select the option, make sure the charger is plugged in. With a low charger, we can't select the option Convert MBR to GPT and select OK. Then we have to press Apply. Select Yes, this will reboot our system. Confirm Yes to reboot the system. After system reboots, this will begin the operation. After converting from MBR to GPT to securely boot our Windows operating system, this will automatically create EFI system partition and it will copy the boot files. Now the software completed all the operations. This will reboot the system again. To verify the partition scheme again, we open command prompt and type disk mgmt, and we right click on disk 0 and go to properties. This time under the volume tab, we are able to see that the partition style is in GPT, and the EaseUS Partition Master automatically created EFI system partition for booting Windows operating system. To confirm after converting MBR to GPT whether data from hard disk are deleted or not, we will check the new volume F. Inside, this is the first partition before converting GPT. That folder is still exist. And from the new volume G, this is the third partition before converting GPT. This folder also still exists. This confirms this EaseUS Partition Master. It's not deleting any data from hard disk for converting MBR to GPT. I hope this video is helpful. We will meet with another useful video in our channel.